Pong game in scratch. First of all, choose one sprite ball, then choose backdrop. Now for the ball to move 10 steps. Control forever. If on is bounce, when green flag clicked. Now it should move all over the screen. So point direction 45 degrees. Now it will move all around the screen. Second, choose paddle. Place it down. Now this should move when you move the mouse cursor from left to right. When green flag click, set X to 100. If you do, then this is the 100 position. Do it forever. Now whenever you click the green flag, it will set in 100 position. Now we will set this to the movement of the mouse. So we'll go to sensing and choose mouse X. Now when you move the mouse, it will move from left to right. Now when it touches the paddle, it should bounce back. So for this, go to the ball. When green flag clicked and do forever, let's do forever. Then if sensing touches the paddle, if ball touches the paddle, then we should turn this to 180 degrees and then move 15 steps. Then we need this wait 0.5 seconds for the scoring and all. And in turn, if you do always 180, let's see once. Now whenever it touches, always it will go to 180 degrees. So what we can do is we can pick random 170 to 180 so that whenever it touches, it will sometimes go different angles from 170 to 180. Okay, so still you can see if it touches on the ground, it is still moving. We can touch here also. Now we have to one more sprite. When it touches the line, the game should start. So this line will bring it down here. And what we will write is when green flag clicked forever, If touches the ball, then stop all. So let's try this. If it touches here, then game will stop. Now we'll work out on the score. Go to variable, go to variable SCO score, and now set the score to this one. Now go to balls. Now if it is set is change score by one, and again when green flag click, set score to 0. Now we can add some more things here. Set score to 0. We can change the backdrop. First of all, let's do forever. Wait until score is greater than variable go. If the score is greater than 5, then it will change to next backdrop. Choose next backdrop. Suppose I need one backdrop, this one let's choose, and after that in the beginning switch backdrop to 4. Now this red one, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we change to next backdrop. So this is how our works. So this ball, when green flag clicked, this ball position also we can set to here. uh, when green flag clicked, it will move from here. Let's check once. Let's see one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the backdrop, this one, so that I will touches, and when you click the green flag it will start from here. So thank you everyone. This is how we make a Pong game in Scratch.